So here's one thing that you may not think to do with MyFitnessPal. So this is my food diary right here, and you can find me at OFitness if you want, and send a friend request. But look how I've labeled my meals in my diary. I have my meals scheduled. It helps me to space my meals out throughout the day. So my breakfast between 5 and 8, snack 8 to 12, and so on. So you can edit your food diary such that you can make your meals flow well. And for me, like, this works great for fat loss, and it also works great for sugar stabilization. I don't have diabetes, but this would be a great thing to do for diabetics as well. Okay. Now, the way that you do that is you go to food, and you can click on settings. And once you get there, you'll scroll down to meal names right here. And under meal 1, all I did was I labeled it as breakfast, and then I put the hours of 5 to 8 a.m. So I eat breakfast between 5 and 8 a.m. Yes, I am an early bird. And then I just keep going. I've spread that out. You can spread it out every 2 to 4 hours or so, or however often you eat or like to eat. And so my last meal of the day is my last snack, and I eat that between 8 and 11, but I go to bed at 8, so I actually eat it probably like around 7:50, to be honest. But that's how you do it. Really easy. And I'll take you back to the food tab, and you can see how it's displayed here. So really easy. There you go. If you liked this tutorial, please hit the like button. If you want to see some other cool things you can do with MyFitnessPal, just drop me some comments below and let me know, and I'll try to make a video for you on whatever you're asking for in that comment section. So thanks a lot for watching.